guys, it's Adriana. Welcome back to my channel. Today you're actually going to be getting unready with me, hence why I'm wearing absolutely no makeup. But I really wanted to walk you guys through how I take off my makeup at the end of the day and some of the standard products I use after I shower when it comes to my hair and my skin. So if you're interested in learning more, please keep watching. So to kick off kind of how I clean off my makeup and get ready for bed and just do all of my skin routine, I'm going to start off by taking off my eye makeup with these eye makeup remover pads by Almay. And I'm just going to put it on my eye to remove all of my eye makeup. I'm going to have this let it soak in for a second. And then I swoop across. Wow, that did a fantastic job. And I usually just use one per eye. You get one more of those and do it on the other side. So I know I look crazy right now, but I'm actually going to go wash my face and shower, and then I'm going to walk through the rest of my routine from my skin to my hair and what products that I use. But just for your knowledge, the face wash that I typically use, whether that be me just washing my face or if I'm in the shower, is this La Roche-Posay Hydrating Gentle Cleanser. It is for normal to dry skin, which is what I have, so this cleanser has been working great for me. So yeah, I'll be right back and then we'll walk through the rest of my routine. Okay, so I just got out of the shower, hair washed, face washed with my La Roche-Posay Gentle Cleanser. Next what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in and add product to my hair and then do my entire skin routine. So the one product I love to put in my hair is a really good leave-in conditioner, but one where it doesn't leave your hair greasy once it dries. So my favorite product recently has been the Verb leave-in mist. So it's a fantastic leave-in conditioner that actually my hairstylist recommended to me, and I've been using it for a really long time now, and it works really well at keeping my hair just really soft, especially because I either sometimes straighten it or curl it or do some sort of, put some sort of hot tool on my hair often. So it's nice to have a good product that can keep your hair moisturized and not dry. And actually you could spray it into your hair, but I actually dump it into my hand. So I usually just like peel it off this area, and then I literally dump the product into my hands like this. And I put a lot in there. And this was also recommended to me by my hairstylist. So I just rub it in between my hands, start at the bottom of my hair, and just kind of work up. So I like really work it into my ends, and it smells awesome too. So that's the other big plus to this product. And this is really the only product I use in my hair. I'll use other products once I'm actually doing my hair, but for after a shower, this is really the only product that I use. So again, work it in. And what's really awesome about this product is that it doesn't leave your hair greasy once it dries. So even though I'm putting a lot in, it's really not going to have that greasy effect on my roots or on my hair. So now for the rest of my face, I am actually going to do a really awesome face mask from Kiehl's. Before I do that, I'm just going to get my face a little damp with a cloth before I put the face mask on. And then I am using the Rare Earth Deep Pore Cleansing Mask from Kiehl's. So this stuff is really awesome, and it really brightens my face. It cleans up my pores. I've been using this one for a while. I use other masks, but this is definitely probably the weekly one that I typically get to. So it's really thick. This stuff is gonna make my skin look awesome. So So I'm gonna let this dry for about 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna just use a gentle cloth and some water and wipe it off. So once that dries, we'll get back and into my skincare routine. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes. I'm gonna use a wet cloth and then go to the sink and kind of wash off the rest of the residue. But it feels amazing so far. Okay, so I'm just gonna go to the sink and wash off the rest of the mask, and then I'll come back and do the remainder of my skincare routine with my creams and serums. I'll be right back. Okay, so I got the rest of the product off my face, and now I'm gonna go in and do the remainder of my skincare routine. So the first thing I'm gonna go in with, which I think is a product that you've seen me use in some of my videos before, but is the Kiehl's Daily Concentrate. So I do use this in the morning when I'm getting, before I do my makeup, but I also use it before I go to bed as well. It's really part of my everyday skincare routine, not just before I put on my makeup. So I am just gonna be using this again. And what's cool about it, this is a blend of ginger root, sunflower, and temunu oils. So just, it helps correct kind of that skin fatigue that you can get from long stressful weeks and work and lack of sleep. So definitely a fantastic product. And some moisturizer. Perfect. And then for the last part of my skincare routine, I'm just going to use an under eye cream. So I am using the Kiehl's Creamy Eye Treatment with avocado. This stuff is really awesome, and I've been using it for a very long time. I am very prone to dry skin, and this really helps resolve any dryness that I ever get under my eyes. So I just put a little bit on my finger and then apply underneath my eyes. And definitely apply generously. It's always nice to have very soft and youthful under eyes, especially when you want to put on makeup every single day. Ooh, feels so good. My skin feels like it's so vibrant right now. That face mask is absolutely amazing. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. If you're interested in any of the products that I used, I will be linking them if you're interested in shopping new product, or if you saw one of the products that you think might work best for you. But either way, thank you for joining me in getting Unready with me, and I will see you next time.